Jonny Quest, The Real Adventures. Who are those slick bikers? Looks like they're from another world, but it's really Jonny.
Awesome.
Jesse? And Haji.
Going hot.
Playing a computer game. When this talented team of techno teens goes slamming through virtual reality in Quest World. Don't even blink or they'll be gone. Hold on to your handbrakes. Reality creeps into this race through virtual space. With a red alert from the real world. Fun and games in Quest World. May just have to wait. There is a computer virus. In Quest compound, Haji reports.
Going hot.
No problema, Jesse says.
Get real.
The Quest computer has virus protection programs. It can cure itself. That's what I wanted to hear, Jess. Jonny calls back from first place.
Awesome.
Let the games go on. What's going on in the real world while the kids are going hot? Not what the doctor ordered, that's for sure. At first, this virus was just a string of numbers in one computer station. In Quest compound. But the virus moves too quickly for Quest compound's main computer to handle. And now it's growing so fast, it's getting out of control. While the virus is growing, so is the danger. It's not just numbers anymore. A life-size robot created by the virus emerges from circuits in the wall. Then another one creeps out of the floor. And another. And another. They're popping up all over this quiet workshop, gathering parts to make themselves stronger. Soon, they'll have all the parts here, and they'll be searching Quest compound for more machinery. Let's hope they're not interested in cybercycles, because they're headed straight for the Quest World control room. Whoa, Jonny slams on the bike's brakes. An obstacle course? Is that part of the program? No way, they're after our bikes, Jesse cries.
Get real.
We can let them have the cybercycle, says Haji.
Going hot.
It seems that is all they truly want. This virus has now entered Quest World. Perhaps we should log off and get back to the real world. Game over, Jonny calls.
Awesome.
That virus sure got out of control in a hurry. If it moves too quickly for the Quest computer's antivirus, it's too quick for any computer. These robots could be popping up all over Quest compound, Jesse adds. Our dads could probably use our help.
Get real.
Meanwhile, in another wing of Quest compound, Dr. Quest and Race Bannon are busy trying to stop the virus. They're not the only ones. A distress call comes in from the Pentagon. We've never seen anything like this virus, sighs Commander Bennett. It's hit all of our defense systems and hundreds of our other computer networks in the U.S. No one can stop it. Or these powerful robots it creates. We're having the same problem here, Dr. Quest explains. The robots only want your equipment. They won't harm you unless you get in their way. Try to stall them somehow until we get to the bottom of this. We can't let them reach our military computer core, says the commander, or the U.S. will become one big sitting duck. Race asks, is your core protected? We have enough security programs to keep out the virus. And all of the robots. For only 12 hours, Commander Bennett answers. Can you help us in time? Well, track it down, Commander, Dr. Quest promises. Our mainframe computer is still running, and it keeps track of all transmissions. Dr. Quest turns to Race. Let's get the kids. We'll need their help. The kids are out of Quest world and back in the real world now, on their way to help Dr. Quest, Race, and Bandit, who are busy trying to get by the robo-wreckers. We can't stop these robots, but we'll hold them off here as long as we can, Jonny, says Dr. Quest. Get back to the mainframe with Jesse.
Get real!
Find out where this virus came from before it's too late. The mainframe's still going, but the network's a mess, says Jonny.
Awesome!
I'm gonna need time to do this. We don't have much time, Jonny. They're coming in. Jesse cries.
Get real!
They'll tear apart the mainframe and keep the pieces. Then we'll never know how to stop it. Jonny works quickly, sorting through the twisted data. Hold on, I've got it, Jonny shouts.
Awesome!
The virus came in over the internet from someplace called Spinneret in Manchester, England. Let's go. Spinneret Software Company invented the One World Web, Dr. Quest explains, as the Quest team takes off for Manchester. I've heard rumors they've been working on some new computer warfare projects. The idea is take down a country's computers and the country becomes virtually powerless. So this virus takes down the computers, then makes the robots to take away the parts. Jonny figures can't get much more powerless than that. We still have some power left, exclaims Race, pulling the plane to full throttle. You kids be careful down there, Dr. Quest orders. The compound looks heavily secured, and if this company's in business of world domination, it'll be dangerous. I'll be there to protect them, says Race. And I know Bandit will sniff out trouble before it finds us. Danger and trouble are old pals of us, Jesse says.
Get real!
We'll be back in no time, Dad, adds Jonny.
Awesome!
We've been tracking the virus from the start. And I've been working on a cure the whole trip. It'll be no sweat. Jesse
Get real!
rigs a tracking device to find the computer that sent the virus. Quest team knows right where to go. They hurry through the dark halls. It's behind that door, Jesse points.
Get real!
Listen, whispers Haji. Someone's still in there. Wait for it now. Race is ready for anything. Bandit barks nervously. And Jonny just can't believe his eyes. A kid, he gasps.
Awesome!
I didn't mean to do it, the boy whimpers. My dad's working overtime, says Eddie, the son of Sir Edward Butler, a world-famous computer programmer. Dad said I could play in his office while he's in the lab. I found a cool program and booted it up. I thought it was a game. This is no game, son, Race reminds him. So stop it now. I can't, Eddie replies. I mean, I've tried. Once it started, it wouldn't stop. Dr. Quest calls in from the plane. Quest team report. Our friends at the Pentagon are getting very worried. The robots will reach the Pentagon's computer core in only 20 seconds. Give me 15, Jonny chuckles.
Awesome!
We're one step ahead of the virus. He plugs in a portable Quest World computer. Jonny has an antivirus ready. And he's sending it special delivery through Quest World into Spinneret's system and out on the internet. This better work. Jonny takes a deep breath. Jonny's fingers have never moved so quickly. He wipes out the original virus in Spinneret's network and floods the internet with Quest Team's homemade cure. With Quest World running, the antivirus program spreads over the internet like a million fiery comets. The wrecking robots at the Pentagon stop dead in their tracks. Their new orders, courtesy of Jonny Quest
Awesome!
and the Quest team, are to self-destruct. In a cyber second, all that left of the robots and the virus that created them are sizzling piles of Pentagon parts. The computer core is safe.
Awesome!
It worked, Jonny cheers.
Awesome!
You know how to cut it close, says Jesse.
Get real!
That's one game I wouldn't play again if I were you, Race tells the boy. Oh, I won't, Eddie sighs. Thanks for your help, Quest team. We not only saved the USA, Haji says.
Going hot!
We also saved young Edward here from getting grounded for a very, very long time. Anyone up for some cyber-cycle racing when we get back to Quest Compound, Jonny asked.
Awesome!
We have many repairs to make it home. Haji points out.
Going hot.
And I'm feeling pretty beat, says Jesse.
Quest team, get real.
It's been a long trip. Maybe you're coming down with something, Jonny grins.
Awesome.
If it's a virus, Quest World could have the perfect cure for you.